Well, I thought I would come out here. I'm in the garage and get a picture of what we got last night with the storm. There is a drift that literally goes across my driveway. My driveway is totally filled in. There we go. Camera's now focused. There's that drift. You can see the bush. That's a 5-foot bush. And then it slopes down that way. And then you can see my driveway is level from snow top to snow top on the sides, all the way up almost to the gravel road. And I do not have a snowblower because my tractor blew up on me. So I'm hoping my neighbor, Mel, skid steer starts, because this snow is like, look at that, it's like concrete. My goodness. The van's up there. I'll start later. There's the front driveway. Wow.